I started recording, then we'll see. Just I'm not going to explain again Python, what is the use of Python kind of stuff. I'm just telling. So what are the things we learned yesterday that we will see for once again. Just how to create a variables, how to assign a different type of variables and conditions of the variables. Also we see how to give your variable name and value representation. If it is a string, compulsory in a single quote or double quotes mentioned inside single quote or a double quote. Variable name can be anyway, but few things you should follow. One is do not start with a number. Do not start with a number. Do not assign to any number. Don't assign to any number. 2 is equal to 4. Don't do like that. Okay. So don't assign to any number. Don't start with a number. Okay. So don't use this hyphen kind of stuff. You can use underscore, but don't use hyphen. Don't use spaces. So these are the main important to assign a variable names. Okay. So when you assign a variable name, automatically it detects what type of variable you are given. That is also it will detect. So like, is it integer type? Data is a integer type, float type, string type, complex type, like that. It will understand our system. And it's a different type of naming structure is there. So that also same thing as I said, like it is camel case, Pascal case, snake case kind of stuff. Snake case means everything is separated. Each word is separated by underscore. Okay. Pascal case, each word will start with the capital letters. Camel case, each word start with the capital letter except the starting one. Okay. These are different ways to write a variable things for our understanding. Because, for example, batch 1, batch 2, like there, batch 14, batch 15 is there. So I put a batch 15 names, batch 14 name. So like division, instead of name, I put a batch 14 name, batch 15 name. Okay, or like area wise, like that also we can give. So that's for that one. So you can give your names in a different pattern. So you can assign multiple variables to multiple values to multiple variables like that. Okay. Also, we can assign one value to the multiple variables. One value to the multiple variables also we can assign it. So unpack that is not a big deal. Next one is output kind of stuff. It means how to generate output. So how to put it. So compulsory, if it is a string, start with a single quote, end with a single quote, or start with a double quote and end with a double quote only. Okay. You want to mention something specifically in a double quotes. So compulsory, you have to start with a single, end with a single, specify the particular word in the double quotes. Okay. Don't use mixed kind of stuff. It means start with a single, the sentence in the single, and end with a single kind of stuff. If you do it, it will throw you an error. Okay. So carefully you can able to do it. Okay, slash n represents like it split your text one. Okay, like this. To write a paragraph, either you use start and ending with a double quotes, 3 double quotes, or a 3 single quotes. Okay, like this. And also we can do different formats of data display. Like this is the variables. 2 variables are defined, and I use the variables in this print statement, and I got this one. Okay, like this also you can able to do it. Okay, you can give an input by using a input kind of stuff, like you see input like this. Okay, so inside you can use a certain text like a enter or a variable name or like that. So whatever, enter a value. Okay, something, a statement we can able to return instead of this one. Input means, so whenever it will ask you to get a data from your screen. Okay, If you want to give an input, so whenever I give an input like this, it think the variable is a string type, means input I given it is a string type. It is thinking it is a string type. Okay, so I want to give a input, but it is not as a string. I want to give as a integer type of thing. So compulsory you have to give integer value only, not a strings. So then what to do? So compulsory you have to tell int and a input variable like this. Okay, you want to give user should give what are the data it is given, it will take it as a string only. So then it is like this one. So as a written raw input type, it is Python 2. We use raw input, integer input. Some difference is there. So that's we can see later. Okay. Guys, again, different data types are there. Strings, integer, float, complex, list, tuple, range, dictionary. Okay. Set, frozen set, bool, bytes, byte array, memory view, this kind of stuff. Okay. Strings, we know how to assign a string, but there is a few more things about a string is also there. We'll see that one. Integer, float I explained, string I explained, complex I didn't given to you, so that's we'll see. I will show you. Okay. List tuple done. So we have to see the set dictionary kind of stuff. Okay. This is how to assign kind of stuff. So last class we discussed about a list and a tuple. Again, now we'll start with the set and dictionary. So before going to that one, so first of all, list is a collection which is ordered and changeable. It means whenever you create a list, it is ordered. Order means indexed. Indexed 1 2 0 1 2 3 4 like a indexing is there. Changeable. We can remove some data. We can remove certain things from it. Okay, you can add it or remove it. So that is called a changeable. Yellow duplicate members means in the list, if you have a values, repeated values are there, it is also yellow, that kind of stuff. That is list. List is specify in the square brackets. Okay, what are the name of this one variable name? It don't understand what is the variable name. It will take it is a variable. If you give a is a variable. That's it. Important is if you are mentioned something in a list, it is you should be mentioned in the square brackets. Next is a tuple collection, which is order unchangeable, which is order means indexing is there unchangeable. You can't change the values inside a tuple. It allow duplicate members. Set is a collection which is unordered, so there is no ordering kind of stuff. Unchangeable, so we can't change it. Okay, particular value can't able to change it. And unindexed, so no duplicate members. Okay, no indexing, no order, you cannot change, no duplicate values. Dictionary is ordered, but there is a stars are there, so you have to keep looking at it. No duplicate members, changeable, changeable. But dictionary is not like that. Dictionary is a key value pair kind of stuff. Key value pair kind of stuff. That is also we will discuss. So yesterday we are all discussed like this one. So tuple is mentioned in the under round brackets. In a tuple, we don't have a more options here. So only indexing option is there. So that is also we discussed yesterday. And we can query which number is which index and how many times it is repeated, like a count. We can use it. That's it. Okay. And yesterday already I shared so how to use set and dictionary kind of stuff also. Okay, if you already tried, then it is good. If you don't try, it's okay, no problem. But compulsory try the data types and kind of stuff. It won't take much time. Okay. So first again, I will go to set. List, tuple, set, dictionary. Okay. So Again, I'm taking W3 scores for a sentences. So it's take time for again typing kind of stuff. It is explanation and everything. I will do it right, so that it is okay. Okay. So again, sets are used to store multiple items in a single value. So list, tuple, set. You can store multiple items into single value. So that statement is given. Along with the set, there is other few more things are there. Okay. Set is a collection which is unordered, unchangeable, unindexed. We'll see what is that kind of stuff. Set items are unchangeable, but you can remove items, add new items. Okay, existing items you cannot able to change it, but you can able to remove particular item and we can able to add new item. So that is first. Okay, next sets are written with the curly brackets. Okay, so to mention this is the set. Okay, so you have to use a curly brackets. So square brackets, round brackets, curly brackets. Okay, list, curly brackets. This is round brackets, curly brackets, curly brackets. Okay, so this is the first difference. Okay, next it is ordered, changeable, ordered, not changeable, but both allow duplicate values. Set, no order, we can't change it. We can add and remove the values, but we cannot change the particular value. Okay, we can't change the particular value. No order kind of stuff. Okay, so this is a set, guys, but list and tuple having a better offers. If in a set there is no indexing, we can't change particular value also. But what is the use of these sets? Sets are basically sets and union type of purpose only. Okay, so it is like a membership type. Okay, so we'll see that what is that membership kind of stuff. So I will take example. Last time I explained like this only. So we'll try in that way. First one is how to open my IDLE. Guys, while you are typing here, it is like you are typing a command environment. Okay, but we can use these things in the programming way also. So right, we can write a program also. Inside a program also, we can write all these things. Okay, but for starting learning, if you don't to not get a fear of learning kind of stuff, so then better to use this one. Like you can easily understand commands, command wise. Another important is paint. This is a set. This is another set. Okay. So I put a name of the set is set A. B. Okay. Set A and set B. And I start giving a values of set A is like this. For example, 55, 23, 44, 89, 19, 20. Some random numbers. Here it is also 77. E7. 61. Okay. 30. Okay, like this. So when you say, guys, here it is. What are the elements? So what are the content here? That we call it as the elements. Elements of set A. Elements of total elements of set A is, tell me, 55, 44, 19, 23,
70.
71,
18.
20. No, 89 is also there. Yes. So look at only set A part only. Okay, look at only set A part only. So you can see this is entire set A. Okay, 55, 44, 19, 71, 23, 89, 20. This is totally set A. It is a 10th class mathematics only. I am not teaching any something new. Okay, maybe some people think like, sir, is something new. We don't know. We came from mechanical background. Guys, it is a 10th class. If you don't study 10th class, I don't know. Okay, sets and unions.
$61, 33, 20.
Ending. Yeah, very good. Good. 77, 37, 23, 89, 61, 33, 20. Very good. So this is complete set A and this is complete set B. Which is the most common? Common between set A and set B is 23, 89, 20. Okay. So like this is a kind of stuff will be there. You can try to understand from here. So different colors you can put it. It is common between set A and set B. Common between set A and set B. Okay. This is only set A. This is only set A. This is only set B. Okay. This is only set B. Okay. And overall, the overall kind of stuff is this is entirely set A and B union type. Okay, union type. Set A union type. Okay, so this is overall kind of stuff. Okay, so we'll see what we can able to do it. First of all, we'll create a one set, another set, two sets. We'll create it and we'll do it. Set A 55, 44,
19,
19, 23, 71, 20, 89. So this is one set is created. Set A. This set is created, but I given this order, but order is changed. Okay, order is changed. If I try to get a set A, okay, something it is set object is not subscriptable kind of stuff, means it is don't have any order kind of stuff, no order, nothing. Set A dot display different type of options, add, clear, copy, difference, like this. Okay. Okay, pop, remove, you can remove. Okay, union, update, this kind of information only you are getting. You don't get a like a index options, count options, duplicate options. Okay, you won't get. It is very difficult now. You know, Windows 10 has a one feature, that is off-screen feature, water screen features. $77, $37, $23, $89, $61, $33, $20. 3, 20. So here in this one, I want to repeat few things like a 23, 89. Okay, so I'm giving a data some two duplicate values also I'm giving. Okay, enter. Again, I'm checking what is there in a set B. The repeated things are not came. So why? Because of set don't allow duplicate values. No order, no duplicate. And you don't get any indexing. So you can't change particular element. Okay, so maybe you can remove the element, but we cannot be able to change the element. So we have a data, right? 77 like this. That's it. Okay, so then now I will show you the output from here to get here. So set A dot. First one is I want to show you difference between set A and set B. It is showing 19, 44, 71, 55. Go to this Venn diagram. The diagram is called Venn diagram, right? So 55, 44, 71, 19. What is that meaning? Only set A,
Set A.
not a common data. Don't display the common data. Only the data in the set A. Display that data only. Only set A. Same thing, reverse. Set B dot. Difference. Set A. Okay. This only set B content. Set difference update is different. Update means it will update from one to another one. That's a different one. So just we are doing only set and unions, not updating. Okay. Next one. Set A dot. What is this? Intersection. What is intersection? Common data between set A and set B. The elements in a both set A and set B. The elements are in a both set A and set B. Reverse also same thing. So though I don't want to go that one again. Union. Okay. So union means it's a combination of all the elements in the set A and set B. Like 55, 44. So this is like a 33 it is showing. Where is 33? 37, 71, 19, 20, 23, 55, 89, 61. 44 is, yeah, 44 is done. Okay. So these are the union. Okay. So union means combination of all elements in the both the sets. Intersection, common data between both the sets. So what are the other things are there? Set A dot some other things like if add and things are there. So then I will go to add. You want to add an element. So one element, two element, we can add it in a set A. Okay, so I'm adding some elements here. It is like 66 is not there, no? 66. Like this. Set A. See, 66 is added. Okay, like this we can add. You can remove also. You can remove also, no problem. Next, yeah, I will create another set. Set name is set C. Set C. And I'm adding some, I'm checking with some numbers like here it is 19, 71, 44. Okay, so this is my set C. This is my set C. In a set C, I have a numbers like why this normal one. Let's see. The set C thing is like this one. It is. I took only few numbers. 19, 77, 44. These three are in a set C. Okay, these three are in a set C. So obviously, entire set is under set A. Entire set is under set A. So I put a set A dot is superset of a set C true. Because set C in the under set inside a set A, set C elements are there. Set C elements are there. So that's a is set A is a superset. The set C dot is subset of set A. Same thing you can verify with the reverse order and also A to B kind of stuff. Also you can create a certain things like you can create another set like this. Also you can create a one more set and try with the A and try with the B also. Otherwise you can create it set D. Okay, so in a set D I put a 55, 44, 23, 89. This is set D. This is set D. This is subset of set B. False. This is set D. Is subset of set A. True. Okay. Look at here. Even though you cover some elements in a B, it won't work. All the elements must be in the one. So this is my set D, and this is my set C. Okay, guys, understand or not? Understand sets and unions.
Yeah, sir. Got it.
Yes, sir.
So it's a very simple. So in a sets, by like when you see list tuple kind of stuff, that is only up to a certain level only, means only representing a certain data kind of. But sets are like your old mathematics, like a certain union tape is available in this one or not. Okay, so that is a very simple sets and union kind of stuff. Okay, so compulsory put a one first when take a one paper. Okay, so first create your own Venn diagram. Either it is a direct integers or maybe names also you can put it. Names also no problem. Okay, so you can put names, numbers like that. Okay, so make sure that some common data must be there. Okay, so then you can start writing which set is belongs, which write a complete sets. Write down the complete set, set A, set B, complete sets. Okay, then try to implement it. So then you will understand, guys. So that is list, tuple, set. The next one is dictionaries. Next one is dictionaries. What is this dictionary? Is also same thing. It stores the multiple values in the form of key and value pair. It is ordered, but there is a star, and changeable and does not allow duplicate values. So we'll see that one. So how to this list, and I will give you a break after this one. Okay. Guys, compulsory, you must check the differences. Already I told, so then keep remember that's differences. Next one is try to understand dictionaries. It is very useful in future. Why I'm telling it is when you write a certain programming in future, if you are become a developer or a cloud related or DevOps related, whatever it is, YAML language, YAML, okay, dot YML type of things, like XML is there, no? So like that, YML, okay, and last time what we seen, not that is some kind of key value pair kind of languages are there, guys. What is the last one? Last one, I forget. JSON, JSON. JSON kind of stuff, YAML kind of stuff, also key value pairs. Okay, so I will tell you very basic key value pair only, so not a depth of part. Okay, so important thing is try to understand. Okay, try to understand. See here it is. Dictionary will be defined under curly brackets, but it is key, and this is value. Key value, key value like this. Okay, so and it is ordered, but there is a star. Ordered means there is no specific order. Key order only. Key order only it is there. Okay, changeable. We can change the data of particular based on the key. So we'll see that one. Here it is. I am using a word keyword like dict one curly brackets. The starting one is name. Name. So I will give some name here. Full. Comma. Age. For example, 22. Okay. Praful, which area you are belongs to?
Akola, sir, Maharashtra.
Maharashtra.
Yes.
In Maharashtra, Nagpur.
Yes, Nagpur region.
Nagpur region. Okay. If you tell another one also, I don't much have knowledge. Okay. Nagpur, Amravati, Pune, Satara. So like this districts only. So I created dictionary like this. Okay. And so if you want to see what it is, this is a simple dictionary. You want to know the name, it's like a element a key wise. Okay. Be careful with cap letter, small letter kind of stuff. Yeah, that's a mistake.
Double quotes.
Again, square only you have to get here, right? Double quotes or single quote, but it's square brackets. Okay, square brackets. See, name we got it. So what is the mistake here? I have to give key, but I given a value. Okay. So when you got error, you must see why I am getting error. Okay, it's a key error. So here it is syntax error. Okay, so here it is. This is key values. And what are the keys? Kind of stuff. Also, you can try dot. So copy from keys, get items, keys, pop items, set default, update values like this. So first one I will go to keys. So these are the keys. In this one, these are the keys. Name, age, area. These are the keys. Okay. Go to values. These are the values. Okay. These are the values. So I didn't given what is the kind of stuff in a get kind of stuff. Get name profile like this. I given like this as like indexing type. Okay, and also I can give. So I'll call the key and I'll get a the value related one. Items like this. See, this is items like a this kind of stuff. Okay. Yeah, I told it is changeable, right? So I said it is changeable. I'm changing age. For example, I'm changing age to 23, for example. Yeah, that's again mistake. How many mistakes we do? Normally, to support ourselves, we will tell do mistake, then you will know what is mistake. But don't practice mistakes wise. Okay, try to put a correctly. If you got a mistake, then try to read the mistake. I'm telling. Okay. Otherwise, what happen? Our mind won't tell you which is the mistake, correct and wrong kind of stuff. You mixed practice will happens. Okay, see it is age is changed from 22 to 23. Like that, I can change the name. I can change like this, and also you can create a nested type of dictionaries. Also, we can able to create it. This is finality to change. There is a add pop kind of stuff is also available. So then you can put a any other options are there. Clear is there. From keys, get, key, pop. Pop means it remove the end value. It remove the end value means last one it will remove. The last part it will remove. Okay. So this is one kind of dictionaries. Like this. You can add something. Yeah, here it is. How to add a particular key value is like this. Use update. Use update to update a particular value like this. We'll try this one. Okay. One dot update round brackets and mention in the curly brackets. So which is the key value now? Batch number 15. Okay. So check it. It is added. It is added. Remove items, loop dictionaries. So you can go to loop dictionaries also available. Nested. So this is the nested dictionary. So look here it is. Child 1, child 2, child 3, child 1 information, child 2 information, child 3 information. Okay. So here also you can put it like you created individual dictionaries and you keep all the things into one single dictionary also. Okay, with the different items like this. So both the ways you can do it, and there is exercises and methods also there. You can try it. Just I will try only once how to do this dictionary part with a different paper. Okay. So what I will do, so dictionary 2. Okay, so here it is in the dictionary 2. First of all, what happened? First one is like a student one. Colon. I'm trying for almost like a first time. Again, name. Okay, for example, I need a small names. Chinna Reddy is a small name, first name. Next, I put a batch 15. Okay, only two parts we done, comma. It means the first part is completed. So next, student 2 colon again name Priyanka is an easy name. Next batch. Dictionary 2. So we give student 1. So what is the mistake here? I didn't give in quotes. 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 See, this is how to define multiple things. Yes, try to understand dictionaries. Already I told. So when you go to JSON languages or YAML languages for automation, cloud computing, so this is very important. So like you can see JSON is like a dictionary type only. So something examples of JSON kind of stuff. Okay. See, JSON scripts are like the same thing, dictionary only. See, it is given under key value pairs only. Okay, this is right. So while you are reading, so you can easily understand, and as well as definitely confusion is there. See, like this, and this is subset. See, this is one. Under this one, hobby is given in a subset. Just complete one set. Okay. So data dot name, data dot like this is given. It won't work here. So that's it. That's it for a dictionary, guys. Any doubt? Do you understand dictionary? How to create a dictionary first of all? How to create a dictionary? What is the key value? What is key? What is value? Okay. How to change a particular value? How to update? Kind of stuff. The last one, if you don't understand, still okay, it will take time. Again, by practice only you will understand this one. Again, guys, last list, square brackets, ordered or indexed, ordered, indexed, changeable, ordered, indexed, changeable, yellow duplicate. Can you tell me about tuple? Tuple is ordered. Am I disconnected or what?
No, sir.
Right. Yeah. And tell me this is come. We will complete first. Yellow duplicate. Unordered. Yes, this is the direct question. That's why I'm trying to say. Unordered, unindexed. Both are same. Unchangeable.
Unchanged.
But there is a
Not
star
duplicate.
is also there. Star means you can add remove a values. Okay, we can add a remove, but we can't change it. Okay, changeable. We can add or remove. We can do it. No duplicate values. Right? Anything there? Yeah, that's it. That's it. Dictionary. It is indexed, ordered. Ordered is there. Changeable. Changeable. No duplicates. But important is data in the form of key value pair. That is very important here. Key value pair. Data stores in the key value pair. Okay. You can't change the keys, but you can change the value for the keys. That's a changeable means data is in the key value pair. You can add a key value to it, but you can't change keys. You can change the value based on the keys. Okay. And no ordered based on a key value pair only, not based on a indexing value. Okay, it is indexed based on a keys only. So this the whole dictionary is based on a key value pair only. You guys understand?
Yes, sir.
The key value. This is because of it is one question. Okay, of course we should understand this one for other things also, but this is a one complete question. What is the difference between list, tuple, set, and dictionary? Okay, how to define? Okay, take one example and do it. Okay, try to avoid this example. Try to give this example, but try to avoid these examples. Why? Because of they know apple cherry kind of stuff. It is repeated from the same books only or at same net only. Okay, so this is it. So take a break, guys. Take a 10 minutes break, and we will be back. I will continue. Okay. Take 10 minutes break. Come back at